Your diesel is trying to tell you something. The acceleration isn't what it used to be. The fuel economy has dropped noticeably. Sometimes it idles rough or hesitates when you press the accelerator. Maybe you've even seen the check engine light appear and disappear randomly. You take it to a mechanic, they plug in a scanner, tell you the mass airflow sensor needs replacing, and quote you $200 to $300 for parts and labor. But here's what they're not telling you. That sensor probably doesn't need replacing. It needs cleaning. And you can do it yourself in 10 minutes for less than $10. This one simple maintenance task fixes problems that make your diesel feel like it's dying. Poor throttle response, reduced power, increased fuel consumption, rough idle, even intermittent limp mode, all caused by a sensor that's covered in contamination you can remove with a spray can. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll show you the exact cleaning process step by step and reveal why diesel engines contaminate this sensor faster than petrol engines. Let's start with understanding what this sensor actually does and why it's so critical to your diesel's performance. Your mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor, measures exactly how much air enters your engine every second. Your engine's computer uses this information to calculate the precise amount of fuel to inject. Your diesel engine needs a specific ratio of air to fuel for optimal combustion. Too much fuel relative to air, and you get black smoke, wasted fuel, and carbon buildup. Too little fuel, and you lose power and risk engine damage. The MAF sensor sits in your intake pipe between the air filter and the engine. Air flows past it, and the sensor uses a heated wire or film element to measure the mass of that airflow. The computer reads this data hundreds of times per second and adjusts fuel injection accordingly. When your MAF sensor is clean and accurate, your diesel runs perfectly. But when it gets dirty, everything goes wrong. Here's why diesel engines are especially hard on MAF sensors. Your engine has blow-by, where combustion gases and oil vapor escape past the piston rings. That contaminated air gets routed back into your intake system through the PCV system. Diesel engines produce more blow-by than petrol engines due to higher compression ratios. They also recirculate exhaust gases through the EGR system, adding more contamination to the intake air. All this contaminated air flows directly past your MAF sensor. Over time, a thin film of oil, carbon, and combustion residue builds up on the sensor element. This film is often invisible, but it's enough to completely alter the sensor's readings. As the contamination builds, the sensor starts reporting incorrect airflow. Usually, it underreports the actual airflow, telling the computer there's less air entering than there actually is. The computer responds by reducing fuel injection. The result? Less power, sluggish acceleration, poor fuel economy, rough idle. Sometimes the computer detects the discrepancy and triggers a check engine light or puts the car into limp mode. The symptoms of a dirty MAF sensor are easy to recognize. Reduced power and acceleration. Your diesel feels slower, especially when accelerating or overtaking. Poor fuel economy. You're filling up 10 to 20% more often without any change in driving habits. Rough or unstable idle. The RPMs might fluctuate, or the engine feels like it's hunting for the right idle speed. Hesitation or stumbling when you press the accelerator. Check engine light with codes related to air-fuel mixture or MAF sensor performance. Black smoke from the exhaust if the sensor overreports airflow. Difficulty starting, especially when cold. If you're experiencing several of these symptoms, your MAF sensor likely needs cleaning. Here's how to clean it yourself. This takes 10 to 15 minutes. What you need: a can of MAF sensor cleaner from any auto parts store for $7 to $15. Do not use brake cleaner or carburetor cleaner. MAF sensor cleaner is specifically formulated to not damage the delicate sensor element. Step 1. Locate your MAF sensor in the intake pipe between your air filter box and the engine. It's usually a cylindrical or rectangular unit with an electrical connector. Step 2. Disconnect the electrical connector. Press the clip or tab to release it gently. Step 3. Remove the MAF sensor from the intake pipe. Usually there are 2 or 3 screws or clips. Keep track of any rubber seals. Step 4. Look inside the MAF sensor. You'll see the sensor element, usually a small wire or film in the airflow path. Step 5. Spray MAF sensor cleaner directly onto the sensor element. Use short bursts, not continuous spray. The cleaner evaporates quickly. Step 6. Spray from multiple angles to clean all surfaces. Use the entire can if necessary. Step 7. Let the sensor air dry for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 8. Reinstall the sensor, ensuring rubber seals are properly seated. Reconnect the electrical connector until it clicks. Step 9. Start your engine. It might run rough for 10 to 20 seconds while the computer relearns the correct readings. This is normal. Step 10. Take your car for a 10-minute drive, including highway driving if possible. The computer will adapt to the clean sensor readings. That's it, 10 minutes of work, less than $10, and you've just fixed problems that were making your diesel feel like it was dying. The difference is usually dramatic. Throttle response improves noticeably, power feels restored, fuel economy often improves by 5 to 15%. The rough idle smooths out. Check engine lights related to air-fuel mixture often clear themselves after a few drive cycles. Compare this to what a shop charges, $200 to $300 for MAF sensor replacement. Sometimes they offer cleaning for $50 to $100 in labor to do exactly what you just did yourself. And in most cases, the sensor doesn't need replacing at all. How often should you clean your MAF sensor? For diesel cars, every 30,000 to 50,000 miles as preventive maintenance. Don't wait for symptoms to appear. If you do a lot of short trips, idle frequently, or have high mileage, consider cleaning every 20,000 to 30,000 miles. After cleaning, address why your MAF is getting dirty. Check your air filter and replace it if dirty or damaged. Consider the quality of oil you're using. High-quality, low-ash diesel oil produces less blow-by contamination. One important warning: be extremely careful handling the MAF sensor. The sensor element is delicate. Never touch it with your fingers, tools, or compressed air. Only use MAF sensor cleaner spray. Physical contact can damage the element and require expensive replacement. Here's why this is so important for diesel owners specifically. Diesels run higher compression, produce more blow-by, and operate under higher loads than petrol engines. This means faster MAF sensor contamination. Diesels also have narrower optimal air-fuel ratios. A contaminated MAF sensor causes your diesel to run with incorrect air-fuel ratios for thousands of miles. This causes excessive soot production that clogs your DPF faster, can damage injectors, and costs you hundreds in wasted fuel, all from a sensor that costs $7 in 10 minutes to clean. Your diesel car isn't dying. It's suffocating from a dirty sensor feeding bad information to the computer. Clean the sensor, restore accurate airflow readings, and watch your diesel come back to life. Start today. Order a can of MAF sensor cleaner. Set aside 15 minutes this weekend. You'll be shocked at how much better your diesel runs with a clean MAF sensor. Your diesel has been dying slowly because of a dirty sensor. Now you know how to stop it. What's your experience with MAF sensor issues? Have you noticed the difference after cleaning? Share your story in the comments and help other diesel owners discover this simple fix. If this simple DIY could save you hundreds in unnecessary repairs and restore your diesel's performance, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical maintenance knowledge that actually works. Thanks for watching.